What if I told you you could make ice cream at home with only a few ingredients and no special equipment? Sound too good to be true? Let me show you how.
First, you'll need 2 plastic bags, one small and one large. We are using a quart and a gallon-sized bag with zipper closures to keep the contents secure. In the smaller bag, we're going to add the ingredients for the ice cream. Zip that up and make sure the bag is closed all the way and isn't leaking. Throw that into the larger bag and then add the following. Adding salt to the ice lowers the melting point or freezing point of the ice. This allows the ice, water, and salt mixture to become colder than just ice alone, which allows the ingredients to quickly cool down and turn into ice cream.
After you have everything zipped up, we're going to shake vigorously for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's get some of our friends around CSU Spur to help us shake things up. Woo! That was a whole lot of shaking. Now let's see what we've made. Wow. Oh, wow. That looks so nice and creamy. We did a great job. But now it's time for the true test, the taste test. That is super tasty. Nice and creamy, perfect. Be sure to hit that follow button for fun food science experiments like this one and so much more.